All right, so in this video, I'm going to show, I did an awesome event the other day called Laps for Charity, held at Texas Motor Speedway. It's put on by the Speedway Children's Charities. Check them out. They're at speedwaycharities.org. If you just want to go straight to the track video, I'm going to put the timestamp down below in the description. But before you do that, I just want to say one thing. So originally I had mic'd up the exhaust on this car because I took my wife and my 6-year-old daughter to this event. And I was originally just going to have a POV view, hood view, and I was going to use the mic'd up exhaust as the audio for it. But as I was watching the video, it was actually pretty funny. My wife is not a car enthusiast. She's not really into racing and hasn't really been involved in that. And then obviously just a 6-year-old kid in the back on the track for the first time. So some of their reactions were pretty funny. So I decided to just go ahead and use the in-car audio for this video on that. Now what I am going to do in a few days, I'm going to release a second video, and all it's going to have is just the lap footage from the track, probably mostly from the hood view that you'll see was taken from my phone camera. And for the audio, I'm going to use the mic'd up exhaust, which sounds pretty badass. For a stock exhaust, it really sounds awesome. But really quick, just a couple things about the event. So if you don't know anything about it, Speedway Charities, they're based out of, I think they have 8 chapters at different tracks around the country, like Bristol, Vegas, Charlotte, and here in Texas, Texas Motor Speedway in Fort Worth, by Dallas-Fort Worth area. And usually at least once or twice a year, they put on an event called Laps for Charity. Basically $40, and you get to do 3 laps around a NASCAR track, which is pretty awesome. Most years it coincides with a car show. This year, because of all the COVID stuff, no car show. They just had the event, but it's pretty awesome. You just show up, you get in line, and they separate lanes, and each lane is a group that goes on the track at a time. There's a pace car in the front. There's a I don't want to say pace truck, but a speedway truck in the back. And also, just so you know, the rules of the track, everybody has to stay behind each other, single file. You can go anywhere on the track, up top, down low, but the biggest rule, you cannot pass. If you are caught passing, they say right up front, they will stop the entire group and escort you off the track. That comes into play because you'll see in the video the downside of that. So thanks, and enjoy the video. Good, how are you?
Good deal. Appreciate you coming out. You are all good to go. Swing around here to the right. Amy will direct you right where you need to go.
Okay, thank you.
Seriously, in a black shirt. Have fun.
Thank you. Amy in the black shirt. I don't know why we had
All right, we're here at Texas Motor Speedway for Laps of Charity. This is funny. Guy in front of me, I ran him over at Ennis last month. So in my video, first drag race, my 1320, my second race, that car that I got smoked by, I had no idea what it was, happened to be right in front of me.
Excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Okay, I'm recording too. POV.
I can't believe we're in the race right now.
Here we go.
because because the pace car is way up there.
Chris!
That's why I didn't want you here. That's why I want to go fast.
We'll go
Oh my
faster.
gosh, this turn. This turn at 45 is a little scary. Like, I don't even have to, I'm hardly barely turning my steering wheel.
Oh my gosh, I don't like it.
It's one lap, well, almost one.
That was a lap?
Well, not quite. Well, actually, it'll be a lap up here.
We're gonna go fast, Mommy, because we're splitting apart. We're gonna go fast, Mom. When are we gonna go fast, Dad?
Here.
No, that car could go even faster. Now you can pass that car. 'Cause
No, you're not allowed to
Yeah,
pass.
you're not allowed to pass.
You gotta stay in order.
a race you have to pass.
Emily, we're going pretty fast.
Hey, Mom.
What?
But if you want to pass a car in like a fast racing, you have to be in a race, a real race.
Yeah, but we're not in a real race.
Oh, I wish they took this turn faster.
Yeah, you do.
Oh my gosh. Emily, we were going almost 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, we actually did get to like 94, 95.
Oh, he's already braking.
Why are they like braking? Like that car is like.
I know, that guy's like ruining it. Look how much space he has.
Yeah, that guy in the front of this line where we are is like.
Look, why is that guy doing that?
Yeah, and he's not a slow car either. The Tahoe's going faster.
We
Emily,
got to 100.
You got to 100.
Does that sound like fireworks?
It does. It's his engine popping and cracking. The exhaust.
I like it back dude in front of this line.
Yeah, I'm like, really, what is that car doing?
Yeah, like that car in the front of the line is like.
He's like wanting people to pass him, but we're not allowed to pass.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we're.
Yeah,
Are we having to get off now?
maybe. I don't know, we're so far
Like,
behind.
I think that guy was like pass, but we're not allowed to pass.
Yeah.
So. Okay,
All right,
ready?
Emily, here we go. Hold on to your butts. Ah, this turn! Oh my God, Chris! Oh my God.
This turn is
I guarantee you this guy's gonna rev it. It's about to get loud. All car guys revving tunnels. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you enjoyed the reactions from my 6-year-old daughter and my wife. I thought it was pretty funny. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.